Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Bob's Woodshop. One of the great things about being a wood turner is we get to help different causes and charities and different organizations. This week's project is a wig stand, and this is for ladies who are going through chemotherapy, and this is a project where they can put their wig on this at the end of the day. This is a terrific beginner's project as it has both bowl orientation with these two pieces, and it's also a spindle exercise. So stick around, I'm going to show you how I made it today. Okay, I cut out some blanks on the bandsaw, and my chucking strategy is going to be just place this in this giant chuck here, and then I'm going to turn a recess in here and then reverse chuck it and put it into this chuck. So let's get started with that. Okay, so here are the three pieces. I put some concentric circles to make a little interest on the bottom. This will go in here. And I did make one mistake when I was hollowing out the bottom of this for reverse chucking. I forgot to put the hole in while that was on the drill press. So instead what I did, I took this chuck over to the drill press, put some paper towel in there, not to damage the top, and leveled this up and held it real tightly. And then my wife drilled the hole. So that's one way. That would have been easy to screw up if this was off one way or another, but I was able to manage getting that hole perpendicular. Okay, time for the glue up. Should be pretty easy. I used a little Titebond 3. I like Titebond 3 because it's got a little bit of darkness to it also. It kind of blends in with the walnut. So I'm just going to use a solder brush and let's see, just put a little dab will do you here. I think that bead's a little bit bigger than this bead. I'm going to put this one on top. When gluing up, I like to do glue on both surfaces that are going to be glued. Took me a while to dial that tenon in, but it's a perfect fit now. And once this is done, I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to put some Waterlox finish on it. So off camera, I put a coat of Waterlox finish on it. It came out very attractive, I believe. I like the curves. I like the little dish on the top so you can put jewelry. And I would recommend, if you have not yet joined a local turning club, please do, because you do get involved with a lot of different charity events, and this is just one of them. So I appreciate you tuning in today. I really appreciate you spending a few minutes of your day with me. So until next time, I'll see you on another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Take care. Keep those safety glasses on. Bye-bye.